Hey guys, Biker Mike here, coming at you with another how-to video out in the Biker Mike shop. This video is going to be on how I solved a little problem I had with my Jiffy ice auger, but this will work for any little two-stroke engine in a weed eater, a leaf blower, you know, anything like that that has these rubber grommets that seal off the fuel tank from your fuel lines. So the problem I had was that it was leaking fuel around the grommet that goes into the plastic fuel tank. And this ice auger was only about a year or two old since I bought it, and it started leaking around this grommet. So I got looking online, and you can buy new ones, but I figured, you know, if this is only 2 years old and it's already leaking fuel, then, you know, is a new grommet actually gonna fix it, or is it gonna dry out again and leak? So I got thinking, and what I did to fix this was I actually got a piece of rubber inner tube off an old bicycle inner tube, and I cut it to fit around the grommet. Then I reinserted the grommet back into the fuel tank with the rubber inner tube around it. The only issue I really had was how hard it was to actually put the grommet back into the fuel tank with that extra layer of rubber from the inner tube. But I just lubed it up with a little bit of two-stroke oil and just worked at it with a couple little screwdrivers and got it to fit back in. And it fits really tight, and it sealed it 100%. It didn't leak at all. I used it all winter. No issues at all. I mean, you can go out and buy the new grommet if you want, but I just didn't feel confident in it in the long run because the other one leaked and it was pretty much brand new. It cured the problem 100%. It was real simple, cheap, and easy to do. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. If you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Biker Mike out.